So we will look at the threefold roto inversion now. So this symbol is for threefold rotation. To make it roto inversion, we put a bar at the top. So what is the rotation angle for threefold? That is 120 degrees. Okay. So now we have the reference here, and I put the reference grid lines as well that we use for threefold symmetry. So these are at an angle of 120 degrees. Okay. So we start with the motif right here. Okay. We do a 120 rotation and we land up at this position at the back of this sphere. Now because you are at the back, so the inversion point will bring you at the front. So this is the final motif at, so this was A and this is B. Because A, B don't coincide, we continue doing the operation. Now we moved anti-clockwise, so we will still move anti-clockwise. From B you do an anti-clockwise rotation and you land up at this. It is at the back to the right, so the inversion will bring it to the front. It is back and right, so the inversion point will bring it to front and the left. Okay, so it takes you to this point. We are using the red circle to because both the rotation and inversion are done. Now what we do is that we again do an anti-clockwise rotation and we reach the point A, but we cannot put our motif down because we have not done the inversion point, so we are not exactly at A. We do an inversion and we land up, so it was in the front, we land up at this point. So this was A, B, C and this is D. Okay, do not stop at A because it is the green, it is still a green dot. A lot of people stop their operations at A, but you have not done the inversion, so you cannot stop at A. So now you are at D. What you do is that you do another 180 degree rotation, you get to this point and then you do an inversion because you are at the front. The inversion point takes you at the back. So this is E. Now what you do is that from E you do another 120 degree rotation. You land up here. You do an inversion from C and this is the final image that you get. That is F. Okay, now again from F you do a 120 degree rotation, you land up at D, you do an inversion and you land up at A again. So you have done the entire cycle. Now you are free to stop your procedure. It is slightly complex, again you have to practice again at home. So if you look at the top view, what do you see? You have these three motifs at the top and you have these three motifs at the bottom. So because they are bottom, we will use an open circle. So you had it has to be an open circle. So this is the final image that you get. Now is the equatorial plane a mirror plane? Do you have an object exactly below E? You do not have. Okay, they are not coinciding. So that is why you draw a dotted circle or not a filled one. So this is the final image that you get.